Hi everyone, and this is another example of inverse proportion. So let's jump right in. If x is inversely proportional to y cubed, okay, let's stop right there. So we're just gonna apply what we've learned in the previous videos. Just gonna color code it. X is inversely proportional to y cubed, and so in my mind, I'm thinking something is inversely proportional, okay, some constant, some number, to something else, and then I color coded it. Whatever is on the left goes into the left. Whatever's on the right goes into the right. This is y cubed. That is my equation. And now I just have to solve for k. Okay, let's carry on. X equals to 1/3 when y equals to 3. And then the following questions are very similar. Find an equation and find the value of x and given y and calculate the value of y given x. So let's find the equation first for part I. X is 1/3 when y is 3. So we have this relationship from the first line, and then x is 1/3 when y is 3. So y is 3, but take note there is also a cube here. So if y is 3, then y cubed is 3's cube. And then let's simplify that. 1/3 equals to k. Now 3 cubed is 27. And so let's cross multiply in this case. So we can say 27 over 3 equals to k. And therefore we have k equals to 9. And then we go back to the original equation and we say that x therefore equals to 9 because it's equals to k over y cubed, and k is 9, so x equals to 9 over y cubed. This is my relationship. Next step. For double I, calculate the value of x when y equals to 2. So I always start with what I had. So I don't have k anymore. Actually, right now what I have is 9. Because k is 9. And I want to find x when y is 2. So let me just substitute in. Y is 2, but this is y cubed. So this will be y is 2 cubed. And then I just simplify this. So x equals to 9. 2 cubed is basically 8. And therefore, there you go. If I can convert it into a decimal, but I don't have to. And I can't simplify 9 over 8 anymore. So let's do part triple I now. The value of y when x is 0.072. And so let's start with the equation once again. That is the relationship we always go back to. X is 0.072. So we substitute it in. 0.072 is x. Y cubed. We want to solve for y. So you know what? Let's just multiply both sides by y cubed. Multiply both sides by y cubed so that we can cancel these out. What is left is 0.072 multiplied by y cubed. Now we want to get rid of this 0.072, so we divide both sides by 0.072. What is left is y cubed. So the cube is just tagged along with the y everywhere. And on the right hand side, we can find that this is 125. And now we want to get rid of the cube. So what we do is we take a cube root on both sides. And what's left is y equals to 5. Now, just want to take note, you don't have to put a plus minus. When you take a square root, you do a plus minus. When you do a cube root, no plus minus. And then when you take a fourth root, plus minus. And then when you take a fifth root, no plus minus. So basically, you only do a plus minus when it's even, when you're taking a root, an even root. And you don't have a plus minus when there is an odd root. So in this case, it is an odd root, 3. That's why we don't have a plus minus. Okay, there you go.